Alright, just connected the AC adapter on the printer that I got yesterday to see if it's working or not. And let's hit the power. Ooh, at least turns on. Touch screen's working. Ooh. Well, motor is working for sure. What is it doing? Okay, it just stops. I don't want to do print layers, nothing. Exposure 5. Oh, it's working. Nice. Well, looks like I got a working printer. That's fantastic. I may gonna be ordering the lid for it and the 2 filters that are supposed to go there.